MKs. So I'm back again with another one. Yeah, so before we go ahead and get started, y'all already know what time it is. So it's time to bless this food, right? So ready? Let's do this. Amen. Amen. Okay, you guys. So right now we are doing crawfish. We are doing shrimp. We got some potatoes right here. And also we doing Dungeness crab. So this was highly requested from you guys. So I have your names already down already in my notes. You two out there, you already know who you are. So this is my first time ever eating this kind of thing, right? I already had blue crabs before, but I never had Dungeness crab before. So I guess it's the first time for everything. Have to keep the MKs happy, right? So I'm gonna start off though with something I do know, the shrimp, right? So how you guys been doing? And to all the new subscribers, I thank you guys so much for your support. If you have any suggestions or matter of fact, if you want to ask me to eat something that you know I would eat, seafood though, mainly, I would do it. Just put it down in the comments below and I will try to make sure I do it. Get some of this juice right here. So what's been going on, y'all? I know about this right here. Crawfish. Woo! So I'm kind of nervous though. Dungeness crab. First time. Oh, y'all comments are so cool. Thank you guys so much for the great comments. That what pushes me to do more. I put some spice in here today. Yeah, so what I did was I just boiled this normal with no beer in anything. Just some water and cayenne pepper. Some accent Creole seasoning. Pepper. My head and country. My rub. You know I live by that stuff. And I have another rub I tell you all the time. It's the one that it's called beer can rub. Y'all ready to go for it? Hold on. Y'all got me scared. You made something by Tupac. I feel it right now. I feel like All eyes on me. I'm nervous though. Give me strength, you guys. I got this. I was watching videos on how to eat this thing, and everybody bite it with their teeth. I can't because I have braces. So let's see how that's gonna go. But I like a challenge. Y'all want to see this thing? Hold on. Look at this thing. See that? That thing's bigger than my hand. That's crazy, right? So let's start off right here. Here we go. All right, I got this. I got this. Yep, I got this. So y'all, have y'all been seeing anything lately good? Somebody told me to watch a movie, but I ain't saw it yet. I forgot what it was. But I need to get to it. I'm gonna just look back in the comments and make sure I know what the movie was. Woo! He fighting back, y'all. I wanted some corn, but y'all know that rule. No corn for braces. The tastes kind of sort of like a snow crab. It does. Have y'all ever had Dungeness crab before? Let me know. I'm gonna do this again. It tastes good. So far it's easy because I'm on there messing with the legs, right? Look at that. Look at that meat. Dungeness crab. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Good so far? Woo! Look at that. See that? Look at all that juice. Okay, y'all. Look at this. It's only in a claw. Man. Excuse me. It's going down tonight. This is good. If you guys have not tried this crab, look at this. Man. Okay. Good luck out, y'all. To all the ones that like my videos, I really appreciate that a lot. Because by liking my videos, that let me know that I'm doing something good. And I just want to try more, you know, to please you guys. Because we the MK family. So that's why I try to look in the comments too, to see what people ask me to eat. Because I like that. Because I'm trying different things now and I like this. Look at that. So by getting the likes and stuff, man, that, you know, made me feel kind of good. So maybe want to just do more and more and more and try different stuff that y'all say do. So if you want me to try more stuff that you guys suggest, just like that button, man. It's easy. Give me a thumbs up. Right? Look at that thing, boy. That's a claw. Look at that juice. Look at that. That's a claw. Let's see what come out this thing. Y'all ready for it? Let it be a good one. Okay, here we go. Y'all ready? Here we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. I'm trying not to mess the meat up in here. There we go. Y'all ready? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let me show the MK is this. There you go. Look at that. Got this shell on that one. I'm making a mess tonight. Somebody jinxed me, I think. A lot of people in the comments say, "You're so neat, you're so clean." And tonight, that is not happening. Y'all jinxed me, man. Okay, here we go. Let's see what's in here. Everything tough though. Oh yeah, when I bought it like 6 minutes per pound. So it's 2 pounds. So I think it's 2.5, 2 pounds, whatever. So I bought it for 12 minutes. And then I feel like an expert right now. So then I put some water in the sink, had me some ice cubes, and I let it chill in there, right? So if I say it's my first time eating this thing, right? You know I started on YouTube. Somebody told me, put it in the sink with ice cubes. I said, okay, I did it. But yeah, it came out pretty good. I think the ice cubes supposed to help it stay tender and juicy. Juicy, 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 juicy. You know what that mean when I start singing, right? It mean it's good. Yeah. I almost got 2 of these things. Next time I will. I want to make sure first I was gonna be first. So far, so good. I ain't fighting yet. I've been fighting a little bit. I'm winning so far. I'm thinking that when I get into that part right there, it's gonna be a fight. You. You guys, I'm thinking about getting hold on. I don't know what I'm finna say. This crab got my mind gone. Let's get that meat right there. There we go. Hold on. Here we go again. Oh, it ain't gonna happen. It ain't gonna happen. That stuff is juicy. I did a Taco Bell video. I did a Taco Bell video, and somebody in the comments, I guess, I don't know where she's from, but she worked, not Taco Bell, I'm sorry, Subway. I did a Subway video, and one of the girls who worked there, or worked somewhere at Taco, well, I'm keep on trying to say Taco Bell, but Subway, she made a comment underneath the video and said that she worked at Subway, and how did I get the green basket from Subway? I want to tell her, none of your business. He's joking now. The manager gave it to me. Yeah, that's how I got the basket. I still got it, matter of fact. Yeah, so what happened was I went to Subway, and me and the manager was talking. She was pretty cool, and I told her that I do YouTube videos, and I showed her my content and stuff like that. And that's when she said, "Cool." So she went ahead and she made my sandwich for me special. She put the chips around the basket. So the way you saw it on the video, that's the way that she made it. So that's why I was in the basket. That's why I didn't even have a bag of chips, because she opened the chips up and she put it around the sandwich. So I left it the way she did it, and I just did the video. So, ma'am, from Subway, wherever you live, that's how I got the basket. I think she was being funny too, so I don't know for sure. Oh, here we go. This fight getting real. Getting real. Let's do this. Let's do this. Really good. I forgot all about everything else around here. This is my main focus right now. Man. Look at this thing. Is hair or something? See that? Hold on, all that juice falling. There's hair or something on there? Sorry, y'all. All that juice. Oh, and the girl from Subway, her name is Kayla. Kayla Elizabeth. I just look at my notes right here. That's why I know her name. That's where I go. And Miss Brittany, this tooth right there. Okay, the crab just a while ago went on my notes, so now it just like splattered, so I can't read what I wrote. Miss Brittany Renee MsBritnyRene. I'm messing y'all names up tonight. So she was the one, I talk about it in another video. I talk about another video where she was asking me to try doing my snow crabs or king crabs and do it in a beer called Blue Moon. The beer is called Blue Moon. So I just want her to know that's coming soon. Like the king crab is coming soon. Coming soon. No. See that? Yeah. So I'm gonna try it out in the Blue Moon. And she said that she still used lemon in it. So I'm gonna try it out and see how it tastes. If I don't like it, Miss Brittany, you owe me. This thing is mean. Oh, okay, hold on. Get ready for this one. So Blue Moon. I think I had that beer before. I think one time I went to Red Robin. It's a hamburger place down here. And they served that. And they always put a slice of orange on it. Hold on. Cheers. Ready for you. It's not Blue Moon though. Okay. Okay, before I do this part, I'm just gonna spell it. How about that? RoRo Butler. Butler. And also is going to Annie Lolo. ANNIELOLO. These two people, MKs, right? If I look in my comment at least once every other day, these two people always requesting that I do the Dungeness crab. So on my last video that they commented on, I think it was like, I know for sure Annie commented on my videos a lot. So a lot of things you may see, Annie always give me a lot of suggestions. Thank you, Annie. And so, and RoRo, I guess. Miss Butler, how about that? And Miss Butler, she commented just like yesterday, last night, something like that. So this is for you. So I'm fighting because of y'all too. I'm gonna get y'all too. Just joking. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, got that part. Oh, hold on. I messed up. Here we go. I'm supposed to go here first. Let's do this. You want to see the inside? I'm gonna show you the part here first. Okay, this is the shell part. You see it? Whoa. Okay, let's do this way. There we go. Y'all see that? And this is the part I'm gonna eat. I guess. This thing is ugly, man. And here, I got no juice in this. And here, that part go. See that? All right. So let's pull off this. Let's pull off this. Feed me, Seymour. I know where to go. Okay, I think I'm good now. There we go. Yeah. Isn't that bad? It wasn't that hard. Next time I'm gonna try to do it with the Blue Moon beer. I think I'm a pro now at Dungeness crab. Okay, I got this. I got this. Somebody asked me this question. Her name is LeNika Shante. You guys go over to LeNika Shante video. First of all, because she's my cousin. The boot representing. But yeah, she just started her YouTube channel. And she's gonna be doing like makeup and hair stuff. So check out. She posted a video already on. She saved me some money. So I finna buy this ring light, right? And this thing was expensive, but I didn't buy it yet. So, but what happened was, my little cousin posted her video and she showed me how to make my own ring light. Now, thing about that is, I have to watch her video, pause it, fast, rewind it, watch her video, pause it, rewind it to make sure I'm doing it right. So because of her, I save a lot of money. So if you guys out there got a YouTube channel, or you just wanna have more light somewhere, check out LeNika Shante. Shante. Check out. And she have another video. She have 2 out right now. And the other one, she's like doing her hair or something. She's doing her hair. So, and showing y'all some easy ways on how to make yourselves up like y'all do all the time. So, check out, please. And when you go, write in the comments and say MK sent you. She's gonna think it's so funny. To me, it tastes like a snow crab. If you ever had Dungeness crab, let me know in the comments if to you it tastes like a snow crab. It tastes like a snow crab, but it's not as sweet as a snow crab. And it's a little bit on the, how do I say this? It's a little bit on the, if a snow crab and a king crab had a baby, they would name it Dungeness, because the texture is not like a snow crab, but the texture is also not like a king crab. It's like it's leaning more towards the snow crab texture, but it still have a little texture like the king crab. I hope I didn't just confuse y'all, because I just confused myself. But yeah, and the taste wise, it tastes more like a snow crab, but texture wise, it's like in between those two, but more towards the snow crab side. So I'm gonna do this again. I like this. If y'all want to see me do another Dungeness crab, how about this? If y'all want to see me do 2, same size, like this video and let me know in the comments that y'all challenge me to do 2 more. And one of the, I think it was Anna. She asked me to do this crab with Be Lovely sauce. What had happened was, you know how people always say what happened was? They lie. So guess what? I ain't gonna say nothing. I was being lazy. So I'm gonna tell the truth. I was being lazy. So I like, well, it got juice right here, so I'll just go ahead and keep my juice, right? But no, the next time I do this again, if y'all give me, let's see. If I get, this is a challenge, because y'all have me eating stuff I never ate before. Y'all have me trying out new stuff. So now I'm asking y'all to do something for me. So if y'all want me to do 2 of these crabs, same size, or even I'm gonna look for bigger. I'm gonna look for bigger next time, right? Let's try to get this video. You ready? It's a challenge. Because y'all have me eating this stuff, chewing this stuff. So the challenge for y'all is 500 likes. Better yet, I'll get 3 of these. If I get 500 likes, and if you're the person with the 500 likes, let me know that you was that person. And it'll be a surprise. How about that? Okay? So, I know it's a stretch, right? But y'all tell me to do this and do that. Something missing. I ate it all already? Oh, man. Okay, I'm messing with this. Okay. Y'all saw my lobster video with that one? So I'm not doing the same thing with this one right here. Eating stuff that I ain't supposed to be eating. In a comment, someone said that they cringed when they saw me eating a lobster head. But yeah. So do y'all think that's fair though? Like, I'm gonna buy 3 Dungeness crabs if this video gets 500 likes. I like that. But yeah. Hey, you guys seen that the movie yet? A lot of people been telling me in the comments that they've been seeing, they went look at the movie, What Happened to Monday, and they've been saying they really like it. So if you haven't went saw it yet, please check it out. It's on I think it's on Facebook. It's on come on, man. I'm gonna tell you, hold on. It's the crab going to my head. Netflix. It's on Netflix. It's on Netflix. So tell me about that movie, and let me know that what was your favorite part in the movie. My favorite part in that movie was I like when these always change up, and it had one was really smart. They had one was out there. You know what I mean? One was like a tomboy. One was like more educated, where as far as she was more conservative and stuff like that. My favorite part of the movie was when, basically it was the end. It was at the end, right at the end, when the two sisters met. Never mind, I ain't gonna tell you, because I tell you, you're gonna probably get to know the movie. Just let me know first, and then on my next video, I'll let you know my favorite part. So like that, I won't spoil the movie for you guys. So, all right, the crab gone. So, I did it, right? So, Miss Butler and Miss Annie, your boy did it. So, cheers. So, excuse me. So, well, I say so one more time. But you guys always challenge me. You guys always push me. So, I think it's only fair that I challenge y'all back. And if you guys could do that, I would do the 3 Dungeness crab. There'll be a lot of crab. But hey, I'll do it. Right? So, you always know what we do around this time. We always, basically, if you don't mind, take a little time to like, share, and subscribe. Right? So, cheers. Have a good night. Bye.